Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I wanted to show you the last small collection of mainly Seiko watches that we just purchased. Something that I really like when it comes to vintage watches is going to be Seiko watches, and that is because they have very good timekeeping, also very nice designs, and also they sell very fast, especially ladies pieces. And if you, let's say, get also into Seiko automatic, Seiko 5, Seiko chronograph watches. We also have a very beautiful Seiko chronograph Panda from 1996 with the alarm function in pristine condition. A very nice model, very nice original bracelet in perfect working condition, so everything works just fine. The chronograph, the alarm, also the date. So this is a very nice watch model in case you are interested in. And here we are going to go through these watches together. I'm going to also test them in a future video to see what we got. So here we have a rectangular case with the sticker on the back. Most likely most of these are going to have their original Seiko straps or bracelets. So all of these I believe are going to be quartz, and I believe there is also a moon phase inside. So this is going to be both for men and women. Here we have a small ladies piece, as you can see right here, Seiko Quartz. This one seems to be stock, so the watch crown isn't moving the watch hands. This is going to be with a thicker watch case. We're going to open it up and see why it is not going. This is one of the main reasons why I liked this particular lot. I really like this case, the condition, how the dial looks. We need to test all of them, to polish the watch crystals, to inspect the accuracy, but this particular model is a very beautiful one. Once again, great for both men and women. Another very beautiful rectangular model right here. So these were all sold as untested, so we have to go through each and one of them. This particular model also has a small hour marker right there that has fallen, but I'm going to fix it. It's going to be a very easy fix. Here we have German leather watch strap that has been cut. So this is not the original strap for the Seiko. In case I'm not mistaken, this watch actually came on a bracelet originally. Then we have here, this time we have a Citizen, so this is mainly with Japanese watches. So a small two-tone ladies Citizen watch, maybe gold tone, only gold tone, with a very old leather strap. Then another Seiko, but this particular one does not have the watch crown, as you can see right here, but it has the stem. So most likely if that is, let's say, not broken, we can actually use it and place on a brand new crown. And if the watch is ticking, we can actually sell it. So that is going to need some repairing, but nonetheless. Here we have the moon phase that was in the pictures that we saw for this lot. It also features the date complication. Not quite sure if this is a true moon phase or not. Oh, looks very interesting. And it also has this other crown for the day of the week. Okay, so it has the day of the week, the day of the month, and the moon phase complication. So that is something really cool. Then let's keep on moving. A small Citizen, so both Citizen and Seiko watches in this lot. Also rectangular tank with a 12mm watch strap. And let's keep on going. So this is another Seiko, but with the broken leather strap, very bad leather strap, but the watch seems to look amazing. Date complication at 3 o'clock. All the indices are there. The double index at 12 o'clock. Okay. Here we have another Citizen rectangular case, very nice condition for this one, also with the sticker on the back. Even the leather strap is in very good condition, and also these leather, so these black leather straps sell very well. but this one seems to be falling right here. So this part right here, I will see if we can actually fix this and maybe sell it, but I will leave it like this to have it inspected. And this is going to be, I believe, the last one, another Seiko, as you can see, with the gold tone case. Very bad condition when it comes to the strap, but this one seems to be moving. I need to place watch batteries inside all of these, and hopefully once we have all of them, let's say tested, we are going to list them for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We have a large selection of vintage Seiko and Citizen watches, so make sure to check them out, guys. I'm pretty sure you are going to love them. Link in the description box below to our website, vintageradar.com. In case you enjoyed these unboxing videos, in case you, let's say, saw a model that you like, you can leave a comment. Maybe you have a story with a similar model from the 80s, the 90s. Make sure to drop a comment and make sure to subscribe, because it really helps. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. We post a lot of videos, unboxing videos, watch tutorials, and many more.